guys. Okay, so nakita na siya, miss?
Yes, you may start.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so good afternoon, Miss Nettie and Frimel. So here is we've been discussing about about challenging behavior that we soon encounter if we are if ma-teacher na ta soon, and also the kanang problem sad sa kanang online classes. So next, our next topic are not too far from those also. So mo ni siya modern professional. What is a modern professional? So as we know, we live in a technological world na no. So we have a lot of endless possibilities na pwede jud nato mabuhat because of this modern technology. Then what is a modern professional? Most professionals have been well trained in their vocations. They are experts, of course, because uh, they are studying that kind of they are kanang preparing that kind of career for how many long years, like lawyers, accountants, engineers, health practitioners. So mo na siya nga kanang expected na jud sa ilaha nga kanang bansay jud kay sila sa ilahang education sa ilang vocation soon nga unsa man nga field ang ilang ganahan. So they stay up to date with their vocation and they do their jobs well. But there's a nagging feeling that many professionals have. It's the feeling that they don't quite know what to do to get themselves set up. So like someone, I just want to share this kind of experience, like same sa nila kuya ato nga na kanang nawagtangan na gani sila og career because of the pandemic. So naka-decide mo ang family nga musud na lang may into business, but starting a business is really quite hard jud, especially if kana nag-start up pa jud ka kay wala pa kabaw sa buhaton nga kanang wala pa ka kahibaw nga kanang mo kuan ba ang imuhang mga customers sa kani siyang certain product imuhang ihatag. So mo na siyang important naka-decide mi nga adto mi sa online. Adto mi sa amo advertise mi online. So Facebook amo ang gigamit. So mo siya importante jud kaayong makabaw ka sa mayon ani nga mga strategies. So nasod diri ang about sa technology. So technology and the modern profession, they know that they need a website, but they are not sure how to make it good and don't have the time to investigate every option. They know that they need to write articles, but they are not sure how to do it well and are worried that nobody will read. So, importante jud kayo, especially if you are a writer sa karon nga generation, importante jud kayo nga competent kay ka. They know that social media is not going away anytime soon, but don't want to sink hours of precious time into developing an effective social media platform because they don't have that kind of confidence and hala kabaw ba ko ani ting daghan pa kay kinahanglan nga i-explore. So mo ni siya modern profession. The modern professional is the person who is tired of these frustrations and has decided to do something about it. So they are acting out na. Maybe many businesses have had to adapt quickly in the last 3 months to deal with the impact of COVID-19 and lockdown by making sure they are able to run their business remotely and mainly digitally by using and implementing the right kind of software. So sa online ra jud daghan na jud kitag makit-an nga mga software nga dapat or kanang right technology nga dapat nato gamiton, like kanang same sa amo ay if dili mi kabaw mo advertise ana dili mi kabaw mo advertise online, wala mi kabaw nga unsa siya ang certain nga mga words nga ibutang para sa kani siya nga kanang produkto, lisod jud kayo nga ma-convince nimo ang mga mamalit. So becoming a modern professional is not about what is happening now, but if you are a modern professional sa today generation, na nakay-visualize, na nakay-outlook about what's going to happen not only now, but about 5 or 10 or 15 years in the future. Especially karon nga 58.8% of people on earth actively use the internet. So karon kinahanglan jud kaayo nga kanang mo explore ta sa technology because by not using all of this sa kanang gihatag o kanang gi-emphasize there sa like online courses and ana means you are also limiting yourself ba. So mao na siya when we say modern professional, who is modern professional, the modern professional is resilient. So ingon ani na sila karon, like kung kabantay mo if when we say kanang mga dagan mo ni sila lang certain nga career nga kanang gikuha mo ni sila nga field ang iyang ganahan nga i-pursue in the future, Pero igabot ana dito nga kanang gana naa pa siya as a modern professional na pa siya kanang side gigs diri na pa siya gi-attendan nga online courses na pa jud siya as freelancer pa jud siya sa kaning mga certain kuan. So ingon ana ba resilient like bisan aso siya ibutang capable siya. So as a modern professional you are resilient like same gani sa kanang sa pangan same sa kanang kanang lastiko nga bisan unsaon nimo kanang binat mobalik ka jud siya sa iyang original position like ang ana. So the modern professionals is also self-motivated. So nindot siya ba nga mabuhat ka nga passionate ka sa imong ganahan nga buhaton because passion, if you have a passion as an extra push, it will allow you to stand out permi sa kanang tanan nga kanang from the rest nga kanang uban nga kanang mga artworks that so nindot kayo nga ikaw mismo self-motivated ka. The modern professional networks often, so be social jud sa modern professional kay you need others para mas mo grow sad ka, mas makakuha sad ka og kanang idea para ang imuha sang ganahan nga kanang buhaton makahatag sad ka og kanang output sad mga kanang mas makita sad og kanang uniqueness, mas makita sad og uniqueness kaysa sa uban. So the modern professional looks professional, of course. The modern professional communicates like a boss. So kinahanglan kaayo ni like you have all this kind of certain skills, especially leadership, na maayo ka mo istorya, maayo ka mo convince, maayo ka mo persuade ana kaya communication daghan na jud kayo ka ng mga online courses para mas ma-develop yung mga communication skills kaya usa na siya sa pinaka-importante as a modern professional. So next is mo na siya modern professional learners toolkit. So I know most of us kay nakakuan na ani especially si Miss Net kinsa may tiki na to diri si Miss Net may tiki kaayo ako mo ana jud ko nga dili jud ko teki kaning Canva kay karon pa jud ko nag-explore ani then college na sampo nakahibaw about aning TED nga kato sa akong katong psychology pa ko sa kuan sa main last year di ay ari ra jud ko nakahibaw jud sa una wa jud ko kahibaw aning tanan jud so importante jud kayo so if wala ko ni come out sa ko ang out from kind of kuan out from those boxes nga yung ana nagpabilin ko dito so wala jud ko may baw-an yung ani wala ko naka-explore. So okay jud kay mo ni siya sa modern professionals dapat na akay maka-explore ka og kanang mga yung ani so ano na YouTube ana like kani na vlogging on website tools, productivity tools, office tools ngay muhang magamit for your kanang mga projects as an kuan sad as a student and as a teacher para mas manindot o productive ang imuhang classroom environment ng ana. So, modern professional sa as SE educators as modern profession. So the impact of abundant and ever-changing technology. So paspas jud kaayo ang changes no from kinsa may magdahom gikan sa suwat-suwat ra padala-padala og papel na from one click away jud ang tanan nga maka ang imuhang message yung ganahan ipada dito sa US mapadada in just 1 second so kinsa may magdahom og ingon ana so grabe kaayo so ang changing dili ra kay sa business world dili ra kay sa imuhang career but also particularly sa kuan ari sa education particular information and communication technology frequently dominates conversations in and about modern society. The same holds true in the field of education. So karon sa ato as SCE educator soon. For technology integration and emphasis of the disciplines most closely associated with modern technologies are seen as vital. So mao sa ni sa usa nga kanang ilahang nakitaan. These are important considerations, but 21st century teaching and learning goes beyond technology integration. Dili ra siya focus in technology and STEM content. So STEM means science, technology, engineering, mathematics content. Dili ra siya focus na, but it is also about fostering ways of thinking and promoting dispositions that support success in an age driven by rapidly changing and expanding technologies. That is why daghan kay kag makita ron nga mga researchers nga naa sila yung mga gipang-point out or mga certain nga kanang topics baron nga gihatagan nila og tagad para mas mo improve pa ang way of teaching sa kanila pag-handle sa mga bata. So mao ni siya. Next is the job of ECE teachers today. So dili jud lalim, di jud nimo malanglang ra nga kanang ECE teachers teachers ta nga kanang bata ra to ang gihandle because as kani siya 1 to 3 to 3 to 6 years nga ingon ani nga pangidaron ari paspas kayo development ang mga utok sa mga bata so kinahanglan tanan nimong ipantudlo nila kay sakto kay dali ra kay nila nga ma-absorb. So responsive 21st century teaching and caregiving requires educators to create environments and provide experiences that encourage exploration and inquiry and nurture creativity and curiosity. Kay mao ni diri ni siya nga face sa moment sa mga bata nga kusog kayo sila mangutana. So as a teacher said soon, as a modern professional soon nga usa ka ICE educator, so dapat andam kang mutubag sa ilahang mga pangutana. Teachers must engage problem solving, critical thinking, collaboration, authentic learning, appropriate use of technologies, and cross-disciplinary teaching. Like you are hitting two birds in one stone, like magbuhat ba karon og certain nga activity nga dili lang kay kanang mo enhance sa kaning area of development sa kaning usa ka bata, but mo enhance siya sa kanang emotional niya nga development, sa social development, sa ano dapat sa as a teacher jud sa atong generation today no kay kinahanglan jud ka nga creative jud kaayo, dapat mag-awas-awas jud imong creativity. So kindergarten teacher will be able to demonstrate creativity and design across curricular collaboration aimed at promoting children's engagement and enhancing learning. Like the National Association for the Education of Young Children has long embraced teacher research, teacher systematic inquiry of their practice and its potential for advancing the profession and promoting high-quality early childhood education. That's the goal of every teacher, Rajud, ang high-quality education for our young children. So instead of teaching what to think and learn, students must be taught how to think and learn. So how to think and learn. Naatay ka lang gitawag nga aphorism no nga instead nga mo siyang permi lawgan og isda permi daghanag permi instead mo siyang lawgan og isda permi so imo siyang kanang tudluan unsaon pagpamasol kay para dili lang ka magsigi og kanang spoon feed niya ba kay kinahanglan nimo siya tabangan nga makat-on. Ingon ana siya so as a rule sa to a rule sa kanang modern teacher sa karon nga kuan sa kids, so kinahanglan nga dili lang kanimo sila kanang i-direct lang og hatag ang kanang answer pareho na po sa una sa nga kun hinumduman jud kay kanang ditso permi lang jud mi ato pabasahon og katong yellow nga textbook nga about bakada ingon ana so visual as kanang mga kids ba karon kay visual learner so nindot jud kaayo no nga kanang makahibaw ta og mga lain-lain through kuan ba through digital ana sa technology kay naakoy kanang kuan ato naakoy kanang yan ako i-share gamay about sa ako ang cousin ana nga unsa jud kadako og impact ang technology ba sa iyahang kuan wala siya gipa-eskwela ron Montessori to siya ato ana pag karon wala siya kay pa-eskwela kay mahal ana then pwede ra man sa matudon especially daghan kayo og mga online courses nga pwede nga ihatag sa bata. So karon kay namatay birthday party yesterday then nangadto sila na shock mi niya kay nikalit jud siya og hilak igo ra mi nakipagstorya niya ba niya siya kay English speaking jud siya niya ganahan kay siya permi nga ana niya mo to gi murag kanang giistoryaan man siya sa mga tita og kanang binayabas nga kanang in English ba nga kanang mga kuwang-kuwang gani nga kanang English niya mga tawa ang tanan niya nikalit siya og hilak jud nikalit siya og ana nga kanang no, I don't want to talk to you anymore. I think you are all mocking at me. Ni ano siya ni murag feel niya gani murag guba na kayo iyahang kuan ba yan social emotional kay kanang para niya kay gibugal-bugalan siya sa tanan. Murag ingon ana gani sumoto sige siya kanang lain na iyang mga istorya naabot na siya bisag unsa gikan sa zoo hangtod naabot sa forest ana na siya didto. Ni amo to ni explain iyahang mama ingon ana siya kay permi lang siya expose sa kanang digital, pero siya expose sa kanang TV, nga pananawon na kay yung mag-browser siya sa YouTube, yung pananawon kay kanang mga National Geographic, mga yung anak, gani, so grabe, advance sa jug kaayo siya, nagtas basahan pa siya, every night siyang papa og atlas, nya mo na kami nga kami hanguson niya nga makipag-istorya, so mo to, sagdaan lang siya naman siyang sighilak, yung anak, gani, dapat sad, kanang balance siya aside nga kanang imuhang gi-nurture ang mental kanang kuan capacity sa usa ka bata di sad nimo makalimtan iyang social ba kay pareho ato niya mo na siya na anti-social mahadlok na siya og kanang crowded kaayo kay ganahan na siya magsige na lag atubang magsige og kanang learn ana magsige na siya kanang study lisod sa kaayo kay as a child dapat di siya makalimtan nga naa jud sila yung mga play activities ba. So next is na as koan sad to reach your full potentials teachers so dapat mo appeal sa jud ka og mga organizations and affiliations. So next is what is affiliation? When we say affiliation is the state or process of affiliating or being affiliated. So you are connected or joining into something certain organization. Like and what is also membership? So the state of membership is the state of belonging to or being a part of a group or an organization. Like I think say kita man guro tanan sa nakasuway man siya nga belong ta sa usa ka organization like kanang muasta ko pero ina lang sige. Okay, so about sa like example SSG Baron ana so before mo nga maka-enter ana nga fully member na jud mo ana is naaman mo kanang pampirmahan na ana para matawag jud mga usa mo ka member sa kana siyang certain organization or sa mga school organization like Supreme Student Government so yung ani ra sa di siya. So first organization that I want to present is about here. Okay, before that I want to emphasize this question. As teachers, why is it best to join professional teaching organization? So, teachers require support from multiple areas in order to effectively grow, teach, and perform to the best of their abilities. So, no man is an island. Kita man gani nga mga estudyante pa, kinahanglan ta o classmates, kinahanglan ta o teacher because we cannot do it kanang of ourselves alone, di ba? As kuan sad kanang as kanang daughter kinahanglan sad sa atong parents so this kind of kuan sad kanang as teachers sad ang kinahanglan sa kasi mga co-teachers and other nga kanang members sa usa certain nga organizations para maka-help nimo nga kanang mo grow ka o mo perform kasi mo best of your ability. So one of the best ways of obtaining the support you need is by joining a professional teaching organization. Professional organizations offer the opportunity for educators to mingle with and learn from other educators in the field or even in more diverse fields. So nindot yung kaayo kay mas daghan ang opportunity nga imuhang makit-an ug mas daghan nga learnings ang imuhang ma-experience, which will open unknown possible opportunities for collaboration, lead to new discoveries, and help all educators improve by comparing methods. Kaya ara man mo makashare sa inyong mga ideas. So joining one or more organization will help you to interact with fellow teachers and stay up to date on new topics in your chosen field. So, like example, na-handle ba ka og ka ng PE niya, ikaw wala ka nagsigira kag storya dira about ka ng tinikling niya wala ka kahibaw nga kanang naana day mga laing ways of teaching about contemporary nga pag teach ani niya sa kanila nga certain nga dance ingon ana so nindot siya na mo-appeal ka og kana organization para makahibaw ka. So first organization that I want to present is the Philippine Association for Teacher Education, or the PAFTE. I think this is the biggest organization here in the Philippines. It is a network of caring and competent teacher educators and is a prime mover for quality teacher education. Of course, as a teacher, you need to be more competent than your students. It is a learning community of teacher leaders engaged in continuing education, innovations, and scholarly works. It is an advocate of the teaching profession and a prime mover for national development. So the vision mission statement of the PAFTE is a network of competent, committed, and caring teacher educators that promotes professionalism, dynamic leadership, excellent standards, cooperation, competition among PAIs, and other teacher organizations through scholarly works on continuing education, attainability, and development of the country. So, arin mo ang members should gi-promote should nila nga ang mga excellent teachers should they need to be more professional and more competent. So goals sa PAFTE as an organization is the following objectives: to promote and maintain unity, professionalism, and excellence among teacher educators, teacher education institution, and professional teachers to raise and maintain standards of teacher education and enhance the nobility of the teaching profession through effective leadership and enlightened fellowship. So daghan jud kayo sila mga gipang-attend, naas jud sila mga gipang-promote ng mga seminars and trainings. So para ma-enhance sad ang leadership skills sa usa ka teacher. To stimulate, support, and undertake researches, studies, and other scholarly works and innovations that will contribute to the improvement of teacher education and disseminate new knowledge, information, and materials through publications, seminars, workshops, lectures, conferences, and other forms of continuing professional education activities. So if you are a member na sa kani mo, ni sila yung mga pang-attend na mga na ay mo provide sila og seminars, workshops, mga lectures para mas ma-improve imong skill. So daghan sa kay kanang mga research studies sila nga kanang gikandak, of course, because sa kanang changes sa mga nahitabo karon, daghan og mga ideas sa mga ni kuan gani ideas nga ni Sprout kay para mas matabangan sa discussion sa karong atong online class learning. So to serve as partner of the Philippine government in promoting national development through pre-service and service teacher education. Next is the PAFTE membership classification. So if ganahan ka ma-member sa kanang organization man sila imong kinahanglan timan-an, like you are institutional member ba or you are individual member. Changes in membership classification may be made due to change of assignment, employment, or other circumstances like nabalhin ba karon. So qualification is a prospective member shall be engaged in teacher education or teacher education related activities in research. Of course, mo appeal ka ani dapat ay mohang field such as education, such as studies and other scholarly works and innovation that will contribute to the improvement of teacher education and other forms of continuing professional education activities. So, and ari sa nimo makita sa membership ang rights and privileges if ma-member na ka, a limitation of membership and membership dues, fees, and assessment. Na-assure ka ng better like 400. So, imuhang kuan if mag-online ka magpa-member ka online, online ka nga magpa-member ani niya, so mo na siya mga steps sa kinahanglan nimo timan-an sa ingon ani siya. Then ari ka mo fill up kani siya nga form, mo ni siya ang itsura sa membership form nila. Then you can also visit this link for kuan membership form nila. And next is the Association for Supervision and Curriculum Development, or which we also known as ASCD, a non-profit organization representing roughly 150,000 educators around the world. So it is international. It is international sa Amerika, sa ubang nasod kay daghan sa jud kayo sila og organization for teachers sa jud. So its member include teachers, administrators, and professionals in the field of education. So nindot jud kayo nga ma-member ka sa mga certain organization like pareho ani kay daghan kay ka og benefits nga makuha, especially nga magamit nimo sa imong vocation like benefits and professional development opportunities. Basic membership, basic membership includes subscription to educational leadership, magazine devoted to reporting on the latest facts, techniques, and information regarding the education of students. So membership with the ASCD gives you access to conferences and professional development workshops, allowing you also to hone your teaching techniques and learn about new breakthroughs in the field, especially karon sa ato ang online class learning, no? So ang pag-deal sa kaning ani niya unsay other way if ingon ana kanang hinay og kanang internet connection para mas effective gihapon ang kanang teaching. Membership with the ASCD also provides networking opportunities for teachers, allowing them to meet and interact with fellow constituents. And next is NEA. So ang NEA is international sa DSEA. The NEA is a 3.2 million member professional teacher organization working at every level of education. The association seeks to expand access to quality education in the United States while advocating for teachers at the state and national level. Members of the NEA have access to insurance and legal support, in addition to workshops and professional development events. NEA also was grants scholarship for teachers to help provide for class materials and learning support services. For example, one grant focuses on providing teachers with donated books, funding, and facility improvement for school and classroom libraries. The NEA conducts research on the leading issues in the education today, giving members an inside look into addressing and meeting challenges in the workplace. Teachers complete online courses through the NEA that help them deal with bullying, early childhood literacy, and increasing student achievement. So, nice yung kaayo sad sa uban na. So, like, same sa ko ang tita, gani nga nag-teach siya sa Colorado. Like, free jud tanan, free ang access sa ilahang materials for teaching, free pa jud ang transportation fee, free pa jud ang kanang food. Then, ang ilaha sa jud kay funded na sa jud to sila sa government sa US kay like ang mga focus man to sila sa mga street children ba then ang mga bata ra adto di wala jay rason para magutman para dili sila makakaon kay libre ra jud tanan pwede ra sila makakuha og mga foods adto then effective jud kaayo ang kanang teaching ingon ana ba libre okay jud kaayo. So next is Alliance of Concerned Teachers or ACT Teachers. The Alliance of Concerned Teachers kani siya ari na siya diri sa ato sa Philippines is a progressive, militant, and nationalist organizations of teachers, academic, non-teaching personnel, and non-academic, non-teaching personnel established on June 26, 1982. So, dugay na sa siya in the Philippines. It is the largest non-traditional teachers organization in the country which works for the economic and political well-being of teachers and all other education workers as well as for genuine social transformation. So, non-traditional teachers like blended na ni siya, blended learning na ni sila. So, na dito gipatudlo ang kuan appropriate use of technology, kana animation, so mga tiki sa kayo mga techie sa kayo mga teachers dire. And they are also promoting economic and political well-being of kuan kanang teachers no. So ari nimo makita sa mga banggiitan nga mga social studies nga mga teachers nga kusog kayo mo debate when kanang mag-discuss na about sa mga certain political issues. So next is if naa sa general picture nasa jud tay mga organization for as koan SCE educators. Ada pa din siya membership sa ACT. So membership in ACT is open to national and regional organizations whose membership or composition include federations, unions, alliances, cooperatives, political, disciplinary, or interest associations of teachers and of education workers, active and nationalist teaching and non-teaching person working in education sector in all levels. So maka-appeal na siya sa kanina certain organization kay from preschool siya until elementary, secondary, tertiary, both public and private institutions. So, next is for early childhood education ng mga organizations. So, we have here the leading National Association for the Education of Young Children, so or NEAYC. The National Association for the Education of Young Children is a professional membership organization that works to promote high quality early learning for children. NEAYC is focused on improving the well-being of young children, with particular emphasis on the quality of educational and developmental services for children from birth through age 8. So, ari dyan na to makita nga mga mo na siya ang mga gipangita sa mga wise parents nga accredited ba sa kani siya nga certain organization ang usa ka preschool in NEAYC kay nindot kay daw ni siya. So NEAYC accredits early childhood programs according to health, safety, and education standards. It first launched in 1985 and reinvented and released in September 2006. So dugay na sa jud kaayo ni siya. The new standards daghan na sa kay from there 1985 daghan na kay nausab sad nga mga gipang innovate nila until this September 2006 until karon. The new standards were intended to provide a more reliable and accountable accreditation system and to encourage the field of early childhood education to strive for a new level of excellence. So dili lang kay mo na siya gyud dili lang siya kay focus sa kanang mga adolescents no or sa mga college students but also gatagan sa jud nila og tagad ang mga for early childhood education. Accredited programs have met NEEYC's 10 standards for high quality early childhood education. These programs have demonstrated that they provide a safe and healthy environment for children, have teachers who are well trained, have access to excellent teaching materials, and work with a curriculum that is appropriately challenging and developmentally sound. So, muna siya ka na magipangita sa kanang parents nga kanang na-meet ang 10 standards sa NEYC, ari nila ganahan ipasud ang ilahang mga anak because they also want best for their kuan man sa children. Then next is the vision statement of the NEYC. All young children thrive and learn in a society dedicated to ensuring they reach their full potential. So dili lang siya kay kani siya nga specific area sa development sa child but the full ilahan siya kana all areas sa development from physical sa health sa kanang ilahang social silang emotional nana. So this is also the core values. Appreciate childhood as a unique and valuable stage of human life cycle. Base our work on knowledge of how children develop and learn. So ingon ani siya of course kay according to Eric Erickson no naa jud tay mga kanang stages jud nga dapat nimo ma-complete as childhood nga mo ma-experience when you are in your childhood years kay pwede na siya maka-affect jud nimo nga if maka-reach na ka sa imong adolescence or sa imong adulthood nga life na akay kanang mga kinahanglan jud i-meet sa samtang kuan pa ka bata pa ka mo nang as bata pa kinahanglan jud ka paduwaon jud kay para ma-enhance assign ma-enhance imong kanang creativity makahibaw sa kaunsaon siya unsaon pag socialize. So appreciate and support the bond between the child and family, especially nga mo na nga nindot sa jud kaayo nga ang usa ka bata kay nindot gani iyang support system gikan pa lang sa iyang pamilya nindot na kayo ang foundation mo na inigawas niya from her or his home kay bisag unsang obstacles iyang ma-experience gawas sa iyang balay dili na jud siya dali-dali nga maapektuhan. So recognize that children are best understood and supported in the context of family, culture, community, and society. So mo ni siya ang core values sa kuan sa NEYC. So, respect the dignity, worth, and uniqueness of each individual child, family member, and colleague. Respect diversity in children, families, and colleagues. So, ari nila ilan kanang gi-promote ang kanang about sa ethnicity, sa race, nga naay we are all from different culture, we are all from different daghan kanang o kung inigdako baron naay sila mga certain nga mga topics or apil silang curriculum nga inigdako ilang i-expose sa child ba nga yun ani nigdako nila kay daghan kay sila maagian nga lain-lain jud nga sa ilang mga nakit-an karon lahi ra sa ilang makit-an sunod nga mo dako sila. So like tudluan sila unsaon pag kanang unsaon pagsabot ani unsaon pagrespeto sa kanila nga certain like there are kanang family sa jud nga kanang example or kanang child nga na-raise sa kanang certain family baron nga dili ingon anak complete or gi-raise ba siya sa same sex nga kanang kanang couple ingon ana. So ilang kanang pasabton ang bata. Recognize that children and adults achieve their full potential in the context of relationships that are based on trust and respect. So aside sa knowledge nga imong makuha sa kaning certain nga kuan, of course nindot sa jud kaayo nga kanang naa ka jud kay mapupo nga values. So next is the membership of the NEYC's. Newest membership option is designed for members outside of early learning professions such as parents and other family members. So dili ra jud kani siya kanang wala ni siya dili siya labuhat for intended for kuan lang siya for teachers sa kanang kuan sa ECE but also for parents and other family. So benefits ani niya value at every level. So mo ni siya na siya for membership categories like entry level, na siya standard, premium, o family. So na siya each of these have unique set of benefits. Mao ni siya imong mga makit-an if ari ka sa entry level sa membership sa kuan NEYC. So entry level membership kani more on digital, more on online ni siya ang kaning sa entry level. Sa standard kay mo sa di sila equipped as a professional with the latest resources, events, research discount, mao sa ni yung ilahang gi-offer sa kaning standard membership. When we say premium, kay ang gi-offer dito kay ang entry level ug ang standard tanan nga gi-offer sa entry ug kanang standard kay naa sa premium, so nice jud premium. So family membership, so it is designed for members outside of the early learning profession, like sa mga parents, na ilang tudloan ilang mga anak sa balay, then mga family members, anak. So if you want to kanang kuan, if you want to see the form sa kanang kuan, membership sa kaning nga certain organization, you can just click this link address. So next is Pacific Early Childhood Education Research Association, or which we also known as PESERA. PESERA is dedicated to disseminating and supporting research in early childhood education within the Pacific area, like sa Taiwan, Hong Kong, sa US, sa Malaysia, and also in our dear country, Philippines. So Philippine chapter of PESERA. So sa atoan natay gitawag og Philippine Research Association for Early Childhood Education. Dili na siya sa Pilipinas. This kind of organization gives teachers an opportunity to share and learn from each other. So mao man jud siya ang purpose of mapil ka og kanang education. It gives you a lot, it offers you a lot of opportunities, o kanang it will also help you nga maka-grow ka from each other, no, sa mga co-teachers sa kanang nabilong sa kanang certain organization. The latest research-based best practices in early childhood education and care. So objectives of PESERA. The primary objectives which the association was established are to provide an academic forum in the Pacific region for the development and dissemination of high-quality research in early childhood education. Mao na nga kanang kasagaran siya nato mga teachers kay naa sa jud sila mga gisunod nga mga specific standards, no, to facilitate cooperation and collaboration among researchers in the Pacific area working in the field of early childhood education, to promote links between research and practice, to raise the feasibility and status of research, to facilitate the exchange of information and views of early childhood education, to collect and disseminate information pertaining to early childhood education, and to develop skills and techniques relating to early childhood education, promote research, studies, surveys, investigations, and discussions to provide professional development opportunities for students and young scholars, thereby empowering the next generation of early childhood researchers in the Pacific region. So, as teachers said, kanang you also need to belong this kind of organizations kay para mas maka-appeal sa kanang mga kanang trainings, mga seminars, kay importante sa jud kaayo siya ba kay para mas mapun-an gani kung unsa na lahi raman sa jud ang kanang 4 years nga imuhang kanang gi-eskwelahan sa kaninga kanang vocation, lahi sa jud na siya mas nindot. Murag it's not enough gani, murag kinahanglan sa jud ka mo explore on your own sa jud from seminars and all the trainings and from online courses kay para mas mapun-an sa jud ang imong mga kuan dapat kang buhaton para ma-effective teacher ka. So membership, so they welcome researchers, practitioners, and anyone who is interested in early childhood education to join PESERA membership. So if ikaw friend maganahan ka nga mo kuan mo join ani, you can fill up this form ring ani siya ang noun sa form nila. PESERA members will also gain access to our updates of events and publications and be introduced to networking and research collaboration opportunities across different countries. So nindot jud kaayo kay aside nga dili lang kay sa Philippines nga kanang kuan ba, dili lang kay sa Philippines focus nga kanang way of kanang learning, so makahibaw sa jud ka aniun sa de paagi nila dito sa ubang nasod, so pwede sa nimo ma-apply diri sa kanang Pilipinas. So nindot jud kay nga maka-collaborate ka sa uban nga naa sa ubang nasod. So link address for membership form pwede ra sa makakita ani, just click this link address. So another one is early childhood care and Development Council. So it is not a organization, but I included it here because it is a government agency that focusing on early childhood sa sumon siya kung gibutang. So a government agency mandated by Republic Act 10410 as the Early Years Act of 2013 to act as the primary agency supporting the government's ECCD programs that covers health, nutrition, early education, and social services for children aged 0 to 4 years. So kani siya nga government agency daghan na sa di sila mga napa-eskwela nga kuan mga batang katong wala jud kanang kuan ba walay means nga maka-eskwela. Then naa sad sila kuan kanang ifan ka mga gipapatukod nga mga lain-lain nga eskwelahan. So it is responsible developing policies and programs, providing technical assistance and support to ECCD service providers, and monitoring ECCD service benefits and outcomes. So from government agency ni siya. So as modern professional soon no sa as an ECE educator, so kinahanglan sa jud ta nga kanang as early as now mo explore na ta dapat sa technology, mo explore na ta dapat sa mga online courses like Misnet, mo appeal na og kanang mo try na og kuan learn about sa kanang mga unsay mga naa dito sa seminars o trainings kay para mas atong magamit ka ng puhon no. And also kanang it is the two modern these two kuan topics sa modern professional pa appeal sa organizations, there's something related resad kay para they are focusing raman sa pagkuan nimo pag-grow as a teacher, so para ma-meet na to ato ang full potential as teachers and as individuals. So okay jud kayo because sometimes kinahanglan man jud ta we need others jud ba kay para mas makahibaw ta nga there are a lot of things na nga pwede pa nato ma-improve sa ato ang self. So I think that's all. Thank you, Miss and Female, for listening. And I provided here sources para if ganahan mo mubasa sa full nga details about sa aqua reports na ana din. Thank you so much.